It has got dark. تیاره شوې ده. It has got dark. What is going on there? دغلته څه روان دي. What is going on there? Let me take a bath. پرېږده چې زه ولامبم. Let me take a bath. I had a stomachache. زما په هېټه درد و. I had a stomachache. Don't look at him. هغه ته مه ګوره. Don't look at him. The lamp has no oil. ډیوه کې تیل نشته. The lamp has no oil. Go and sleep. زه او اوده شه. Go and sleep. I had a pain in my leg. زما په خپه درد و. I had a pain in my leg. Don't stare at him. هغه ته بد بد مه ګوره. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ هغه ته نیغ نیغ مه ګوره. Don't stare at him. It's getting dark. تیاره کیږي. It's getting dark. I'm feeling cold. زما یخني کیږي. I'm feeling cold. He left home. هغه د کور نه لاړ. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ هغه کور پرېښودو. He left home. Come what may. We will not do so. که هر څه وي موږ به داسې نه کوو. Come what may. We will not do so. Start a job. کار شروع کا. Start a job. یعنی په نوکرۍ ولګه. No matter what, I'll go there. که هر څه وي زه به هلته ځم. No matter what, I'll go there. I am coming from Lahore. زه د لاهور نه را روان یم. I am coming from Lahore. God knows who he is. خدای ته پته چې هغه څوک دی. God knows who he is. Find a job. کار وګوره. Find a job. God knows where they are. خدای ته پته چې هغوی کوم ځای دي. God knows where they are. I will work from tomorrow. زه به د سبا نه کار کوم. I will work from tomorrow. Learn driving. ګاډی چلول زده کا. Learn driving. God knows who made this. خدای ته پته چې دا چا جوړ کو. God knows who made this. Move the cup of the table. د میز نه پیالی لرې کا. Move the cup of the table. They will go to London in a year or so. هغوی به په یو یا دوه کالو کې لندن ته ځي. They will go to London in a year or so. You will learn. ته به زده کړې. You will learn. He is about to reach in an hour or so. هغه په یو یا دوه غنټو کې رسیدو واله دی. He is about to reach in an hour or so. He is getting up the bus. هغه د بس نه کوزیږي. He is getting up the bus. There is no shortage of food grains in our country. زمون په ملک کې د غلې کمی نشته. There is no shortage of food grains in our country. You have the art. تا سره هنر دی. You have the art. Avoid bad company. د خراب ټولګي نه ځان ساته. Avoid bad company. He has been trying since Monday. هغه د څلورمې ورځې راسې کوشش کوي. He has been trying since Monday. Milk is pretty hot. پای ډیر ګرم دی. Milk is pretty hot. You will learn Pashto. ته به پښتو زده کړې. You will learn Pashto. It's my turn now. وس زما نمبر دی. It's my turn now. I have been playing since morning. زه د سحر راسې لوبه کوم. I have been playing since morning. The boy is fit for marriage. هلک د واده لایق دی. The boy is fit for marriage. I am ashamed of myself. مال په خپل ځان شرم راځي. I am ashamed of myself. This book is selling like hot cake. دا کتاب لکه د ګرم کیک خرڅیږي. This book is selling like hot cake. Don't make me angry. ما قاروه ما. Don't make me angry. They are fast friends. هغوی خواږه ملګري دي. They are fast friends. I didn't expect it from you. ستانه می دا امید نه و. I didn't expect it from you. He is dumb and deaf. هغه کون او چاړه دی. He is dumb and deaf. Where have you come from? ته د کوم ځای نه راغلی یې. Where have you come from? I am not a deaf. زه کون نه یم. I am not a deaf. Don't worry. فکر مه کوه. Don't worry. Are you in pain? آیا درد دی در باندې. Are you in pain? I am in a hurry. زه په تادۍ کې یم. I am in a hurry. I don't know. I was on leave yesterday. ما ته پته نشته. زه پرون په چوټۍ وم. I don't know. I was on leave yesterday. What did you say? تاسو څه ووی. What did you say? He was not at home. هغه کور کې نه و. He was not at home. Let bygones be bygones. چې څه وشو هغه وشو. Let bygones be bygones. We are not cowards. مونږ یرندوکي نه یو. We are not cowards. They were not innocent. هغوی معصومانان نه وو. They were not innocent. Don't talk nonsense. بکواس مه کوه. Don't talk nonsense. Was that his car? آیا هغه د ده موټر و. Was that his car? What's so special in it? په دې کې څه داسې خاص دي. What's so special in it? No, it was not his. نه دا د هغه نه و. No, it was not his. I don't have any cash. ما سره نغدي روپۍ نشته. I don't have any cash. He was at his wit's end. د هغه خوش الوتی و. He was at his wit's end. You are a coward. ته رندوکی. You are coward. Who is it for? دا د چا د پاره دی. Who is it for? He thought and materialized. هغه سوچ وکړو او رښتیا یې کو. He thought and materialized. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.